welcome back to Hands On with BLG. Checking out a new tripod. Seems like it should be okay. It doesn't have a left and right tilt, or it's either left and right or up and down but it's $10 and some change. We're going to come back and revisit the coconut shrimp, but we're going to finish it this time, okay? Coconut shrimp. This is going to be good. Here's what we got right here, okay? Let's hop down here. Let me unloosen this. This ain't too bad. Sit, Ubu, sit. Here's what we got. Right here we just got plain flour. Just plain all-purpose flour. Right here we have a half a cup. This is just dredging, just some flour. Here we have a half a cup of all-purpose flour, a quarter of a cup of cornmeal, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, right? And to that we're going to add 1 cup of carbonated water, club soda, whatever. I just have cold water. It works just fine. We're going to whisk this together in a bowl and make like a batter. If we need more flour, we need more flour. All there is to it, right? Mix this all up like so. Just something to get it wet, you know. Wet as whistle. The shrimp says whistle. We're having coconut shrimp for supper tonight. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. You guys all have a happy Thanksgiving if you are in the United States and are doing Thanksgiving. Good on you. If you're not, well, happy artificial Thanksgiving to you guys. There we go. We'll just stir this around a bit. Something like so. Right? I think I want to thicken that just a little. So I'm going to put just a little more flour right up in chaw. A little more flour right up in chaw. Let's do that and see what we get. Get off of me, flour. Ingredients are never exact. They're never perfect, hardly ever. Here we go. That's looking better, thickening up. More what I'm looking for. I think I have found what I'm looking for. Here we go. There's a little batter reaction, right? Nice slimy batter. Batter swing. Now, your preference comes in here. Okay? Get that off of me. This is sweetened coconut right here. Okay? You can use non-sweetened if you want. You know what I mean? But I am using sweetened for this recipe. Okay? Well, we want to do chaw. I don't need that in the way right now. I got a bear over there waiting. You can see it right there. What we want to do, chaw, I'm going to zoom in a touch. Right up in chaw. We're going to get right down on chaw. Like so. Right? Zoomed in. Well, that's as close as we're going to get. Right there's good. That's cool. We're going to zoom in like this. And I'm going to get the sharpen a paring knife. Got us our shrimps. So we take a jumbo shrimp, right? What we're going to do is we're going to slice him about not quite halfway through, right down the spine, okay? About like that. I'm going to flip him this way. Give him 2 little bitty notches right on the bottom like this. Right? Now we're just going to take him and splat him out like a scorpion. Check this out, folks. There you go. Butterfly shrimp right there. Scorpion. Set them off to the side. We're going to do the rest, and I'll see you when I get them all done. All there is to it right there. Alright, change the battery. I saved one for you. This is easy. Hold it like this in your little hand, little slimy bastard. Go just a little bit less than halfway through. On the back, on this side. Turn him over. Lay him down, put just a little slit there. Little slit there. Like that. Now spread him out like this. Get your fingers under him. Where you cut him and stuff. Just push down. Boom. Butterflied. Just like that. It'll lay out like a little scorpion. Okay? Coolness. Let us move it onward. Rinse my fingers. like I need to, but you know, I need to move the camera. So you got a bunch of little butterfly shrimpses. Going to look like that right there. See them? Little butterfly shrimpses, all stretched and stretched out like little scorpions and such, right? See them? Okay. Now, easy part. We're going to reuse this wax paper. It's just wax paper. We're going to come over here. Right? Set you right, chaw. I want the flour. I want you where you can see flour, right? Some of this. Actually, that might work better from over here. Oh yeah, this might do her. And the coconut, just like that. And we got the wax paper right there. Those aren't just on the counter, folks. That's wax paper. I've got my oil heated up. Hi, I'm Lefty. I've got my oil heated up to 365. Okay? Deep fryer. So what we do, we'll take our shrimpses, toss them around in the flour like so. Don't worry about the tail. Who cares? Tail doesn't really mean much. We'll set that off to the side. Just want to get that there. See? Nice dry coating. Into the batter it goes. Like so. Down in the batter. Off with the excess. Into the coconut. Smash him down with the coconut like that. Give him a smash. Out he comes. Boom. There's one right there, see? And we're just going to keep doing that. Flour. Pack them down in the flour like so. See? Shake off the excess. In to the batter. Batter, swing. Up to the tail. You can use the tail as a handle, because you don't need them anyway. Slap off some extra of that. Into the coconut. Re-smash it down into its original butterfly shape. Shake it a bit. Boom. There's two. See what I'm talking about? Boom. That's two of them. So we're going to do all this. Flour. Do it one more for you. Like so. Shake off the excess. Batter. Shake off the excess. It's not bad, and you don't get too filthy if you do it right. I've been practicing. Into the coconut. Put plenty over the top. And just press down. Like that. Right? Shake off. Boom. There's another one. See? There's three of them. So I'm going to do these three. Or these three. I'm only going to fry these. I'm going to do the rest of these. And we'll go fry these bad boys up. Be right back. Boom. Okay, these guys have been sitting here. Hello, I'm Righty. Hello, I'm Lefty. These coconut shrimps are all battered and ready to go. They've been sitting there resting for about 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Just sitting there getting set up. Now the fun part begins. We're going to come over here. Remember, our oil is up 365 degrees, right? Cha. Basket cha. Hot. Caliente. Alright. We are going to start plopping a couple of these at a time. Nice and light like. Kind of flap them in slowly so they can not stick to the bottom if you can help it. Little batches here, little batches there. I think I can do maybe 2 more. We'll put 2 more in here. One there. One there. These are going to fry up until they're golden brown. And then they're going to go just on this draining rack right here. Got a cooling rack on a cookie sheet, and we're just going to drain there. So there they go. All there is to it. Let these guys go. It doesn't take long to cook these shrimp. We're just looking for golden brown, people. Golden brown is all we're looking for. See how they're already starting to go something. Looking good. They're not stuck. Hi, I'm Roddy again. It takes just a little bit of practice to get a butterfly thing, you know, down right. But just remember, hold the shrimpy like that in your little hand, Lefty, if you demonstrate, like this. Cut him down the back, not quite halfway through. Turn him over, A little bitty slice and a little bitty slice. Not all the way through. Just a little bitty, like just barely score it. And then lay him on the counter and smush him like that. And that's how you make a butterfly shrimp. A little practice, you'll get it. Look at these guys all doing good. They're doing great. I got a good beer. Jamming some Jimmy Buffett. Yeah, you're doing shrimp like that? Do some Margarito. Do some Jimmy Buffett, man. It's cool. It'll be about done by the time I get back with beer. La 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 la. In this goes the telephone is ringing. You got me on the run. What does that say? Too long of a name for me to worry about. Don't care. I'm doing shrimp, jamming some Jimmy Buffett. Oh, and drinking beers. Look at these beauties. Get out of there, baby. On you go. Boom. Coconut shrimps. Get out of there. Coconut shrimps. Next batch going in. Boom. 2. 4. Boom. And 2 more. Makes 6. Beautiful. We'll let these guys go for a minute. Set these guys up where they look all cool. Just want them to look all cool. It's a nice plate of shrimp there. There they go. I'm going to kick my oil back down. I'm going to kick my oil down to about 350. I think that'll rock and roll these pretty well. Don't need to, but I'm just going to because I want to. Even got leftover coconut out of a 14-ounce bag. I got about a third of it left. See? Back in that goes for future use. Looking sweet, looking sweet. Look at that. Look, yeah, man. That's some beautiful shit. Get them all browned up. Make them all nice. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 10 more to go after this. So 6, 12. I got 24 jumbo shrimps. Nice. All together. So that's 12 a piece for me and Squeak. Beautiful. LAG the mama eats hippie shrimps, but it's basically the same technique. But she uses a keto pancake batter for the batter, and just dips them in there, butterfly them up. She dips them in there and puts them in the coconut and fry them. It's really cool. Not in this oil, because this has got human stuff in it. Human stuff, hippie stuff, human stuff. You know. It's alright. It's all good. It's all good. Look at these beauties. They're hot. They're very caliente right now. Caliente, caliente. But look at them go, baby. Oh, they're beautiful. Alright, let's do another couple batch right up in chomp. And I will see you after a couple more Jimmy Buffett songs. And I get all these little guys done. How's that sound? Pretty cool. Give the basket a shake like that. They don't stick that way. And I'll do 2 more. 1 here, 1 there. See you back here when those are done and down here draining. Be right back. Don't forget, take time if you don't mind, subscribe. Hit the like button and stuff. It doesn't cost anything and I don't bite. Lefty might, but I don't and BLG doesn't. There you have her, folks. Beautiful coconut shrimp. Butterflied coconut shrimp. Fantastic. That is an even 2 dozen of them. Right there. And there is a dingo. Right there. Here's a Sheila. Right there. Sniffing around. But there you go, folks. Enjoy. It's easy. It's fast. And, like I said, you need to do this stuff. It's really good. So for Hands On with BLG, for BLG, I am BLG. I am Lefty. I am Righty. And I'm drinking a beer, and I'm going to go back in there and edit this for you. And, yeah, I'll catch you in the next episode. Till the next time, folks. You know what to do. That's right. Pass the word. Like, subscribe. Share these videos if you will. And peace out, people. Just peace out, because I said so. Calm the fuck down and peace out, okay? It's not going to hurt the world. Peace the fuck out. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.